Welcome to my channel, friends. Today I visited the Birds Park in Taif City. It was a memorable experience. The park itself is located slightly outside of the main town. Ticket price for this park is 25 riyals per person. They offer you to buy a bird's feet small box for extra 5 riyals. As soon as you enter the park, on the right side you will find the first section as you are seeing right now. Here you will come across a variety of rather wild birds, bigger in sizes. They are friendly and tamed by the park assistants. Assistants will easily make these birds sit on your arms for photos, so you can take all these beautiful memories back home. The layout and the landscaping is top-notch. We can see a lot of effort has gone into making sure that this environment is as close to a natural one as possible. You will come across artificial woodwork, artificial waterfalls, artificial fountains giving a sort of image to the birds that they're out there in the wild. Within the same first section, you will then come across the caged birds like peacocks, which are bigger in size and can only fly at a limited range. You can try feeding the birds, which they will happily accept. The birds are hardly bothered by your presence. In fact, you will find them welcoming and ready to play a bit. Next up is the second section. Here you will have a small seating area and convenience area, and, of course, you will have birds to give you company. Most of the birds on this side are much smaller in size compared to the first section. Good area for sitting where you can actually spread the bird's feed on the table for the birds. Next is section number 3, and this will give you an even bigger look of the natural wildlife. There is a big space where there are rabbit bunnies and hamsters. As you can see, all are living here. in peace and harmony with each other. A small artificial lake with beautiful black and white swans inside it. On the whole, it was a memorable experience that gives you a big joy by the presence of beautiful birds, animals, and a very helping staff. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care.